Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dometic control board is probably one of the most crucial components of your refrigerator, responsible for maintaining optimal cooling temperatures and ensuring the longevity of your appliance. In this video, we will deep dive into what makes a great Dometic control board, helping you make the best choice for your needs and budget, covering key features, functionalities, and compatibility to ensure a seamless and efficient cooling experience. Number 5. Dometic Power Module Board 3,316,348.900. This is the Dometic Power Module Board, designed for quick and easy installation. It's made from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. It boasts universal fit and works with a wide range of Dometic models. Check the compatibility list to see if it's right for your appliance. This power module is constructed from durable, high-quality materials for reliable operation. It's built to last. It's designed for quick and simple application, making installation a breeze. Save time and effort with its user-friendly design. This board is compatible with many Dometic models, including the DM2652, DM2662, DM2663, and many more. See the full list for details. It includes a reigniter and provides a reliable power solution for your Dometic appliance. Enjoy peace of mind with its dependable performance. What we like. This Dometic Power Module Board is made from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's designed for quick and simple application, minimizing installation time and effort. If you need a reliable replacement that works with various Dometic models, this is the one for you. What people say. Our 7-year-old RV refrigerator quit working in gas mode. Was no spark, and no has smell. This narrowed down the issue to this part. Simple quick install and we were back in business. I ordered this item to replace my original on a Dometic DM2852 fridge. My original lost the 120V output to the coil. All the wire hookups were in the correct order. The board came super quick. It was a direct fit for my Dometic RM25515 CUFT fridge. Number 4. Dometic 385-133-1011 refrigerator board. This is a genuine Dometic replacement part, ensuring reliable performance and extending the life of your appliance. It's designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting use. As an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part, it meets the exact specifications of your Dometic refrigerator. You can trust it to work seamlessly. This power supply circuit board is the heart of your refrigerator's electrical system. It provides the necessary power for reliable cooling. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get your refrigerator back up and running quickly. No special tools are required. This board is designed for a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of Dometic refrigerators. Check your model for compatibility. Manufactured in China, this part maintains the high standards of quality expected from Dometic. It's built to last. This part is specifically designed for right-hand operation. Please ensure compatibility with your model before purchasing. What we like. As a genuine OEM part, it guarantees reliable and long-lasting performance for your Dometic refrigerator. Its right-hand operation design ensures seamless integration with your existing setup. If you prioritize authenticity and dependable operation, this is your best choice. What people say. I have a Dometic RM3762 RBX refrigerator freezer that was manufactured in 2012. Last summer 2022, the unit quit working. The freezer could only maintain a temperature of 40 degrees. I found the part number on my control board and purchased this as a replacement. I have had it installed for over a year now and now my freezer works perfectly. The fridge and freezer are nice and cold, like brand new. Perfect plug-and-play replacement for my RV Dometic fridge. Arrived quickly and was packaged well. After doing all of the troubleshooting to diagnose our issue, it came down to a failed component on the control board. Once this replacement part arrived, we replaced it in less than 15 minutes. Now the temp in the refrigerator is holding at 34 degrees. Do your troubleshooting first. Plenty of how-tos online. Number 3. Refrigerator Control Board Kit. This kit is designed to replace your old, Malfunctioning Control Board. It's easy to install and will restore your refrigerator's efficient cooling performance. It's compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, including DM2652, DM2852, RM2351, RM2451, RM2551, RM2652, and RM2852. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This control board enhances the mechanical operation of your appliance. It provides efficient energy control and optimal cooling performance. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove the old board, install this new one, plug it in, and you're ready to go. The whole process takes about 5 minutes. The package includes one circuit board, measuring 8.66 by 1.3 by 0.4 inches. Everything you need for a quick and easy repair. Always remember to disconnect the power supply to your refrigerator before starting the installation. This will ensure your safety and prevent any accidents. What we like. This refrigerator control board kit is designed for quick and easy installation, taking only about 5 minutes. It enhances the mechanical operation of your appliance for efficient energy control and cooling performance. If you value a hassle-free installation and improved cooling efficiency, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. After install, the fridge never tried to kick to propane and is fairly cold after just a couple of hours. It was easy to install for a novice, and was repaired in less than an hour. This item was an exact replacement bezel-wise and an upgraded surface mount components on the board. Number 2. Dometic RV Fridge Control Board. Is your RV refrigerator not working properly? This control board is the solution. It's easy to install and will have your fridge running smoothly again. This replacement board works with many Dometic models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your fridge. It features 10 interfaces for a secure connection. Replacing your old control board is straightforward. It's designed to be a direct replacement for several older models. Make sure to check the number of ports on your old board before ordering. This upgraded board includes an integrated propane igniter. It controls the ignition and operation of the propane, as well as power to the AC components. Enjoy reliable cooling in your RV. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty and 180-day return policy. Contact us if you have any questions, we're here to help. This control board has power supplies of 120V, 3.5A, 60 Hz and 12 VDC, 1.9A. It's designed to fix issues like a malfunctioning refrigerator light or abnormal propane ignition. What we like. This upgraded RV fridge control board comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty and features 10 interfaces for broader compatibility. It also includes an integrated propane function igniter. If you're seeking peace of mind with extensive coverage and a board with added functionality, this is the ideal option. What people say. Installation is a snap, just make sure all power is off to the board. Then, take a picture of the installed board so you can do a wire-to-post transfer without mixing up the positions. They are labeled on the so it really shouldn't be a problem. Once you reestablish power to the board, and turn the system on, it should work just fine. The install of this board took all of 10 minutes, and I'm pretty particular about installations. Once I turned the system on, everything worked as advertised, in fact, better than the Dometic board. Number 1. Sixcow Micro P711 Board. This control board is designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing system. It offers a simple installation process and requires no additional wiring kits. It's compatible with a wide range of Dometic refrigerators, both 2-way and 3-way models. Check the product description for a complete list of compatible models. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. Enjoy features like a temperature adjustment knob for precise temperature control and enhanced surge protection. It's built with high-quality materials for superior moisture resistance and long-lasting durability. Experience reliable performance for years to come. Clearly marked connections make installation a breeze, even if you've misplaced your wiring diagrams. A user manual is included for your convenience. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. What we like. This micro P711 control board offers a temperature adjustment knob for precise temperature control and features automatic system detection for seamless operation. It's also designed for easy installation with clear markings. If you need precise temperature control and a user-friendly installation process, this is the board for you. What people say. The drawings to connect the wiring is specific and very easy to follow. It even provides a sequence to follow so that everything goes online and allows your current upper control board above the freezer door to accept the new upgrade lower control board and works more efficiently. Was not difficult to replace. Just made sure to take some screenshots of the old board's wiring so that the wiring would be consistent on the new board. Was happy that the new board's connection points and the screw placements were all consistent, and the documentation lay out the expected wiring. Been almost a year since the replacement and working well. The instructions were excellent. I installed it and had it working in 10 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.